Do you guys know what Shabu Shabu is? It's actually a Japanese version of hot pot, and it's really popular here in Japan. And I found a restaurant here called Shabu-yo, and it's all you can eat Shabu Shabu restaurant that offers you meats and also vegetables as well as dessert. And they have 200 different locations throughout Japan, as well as in Tokyo in the Shabuya area. So if you find yourself in Japan, you can try out the Shabu Shabu restaurant called Shabu-yo. So I'm really excited to show you guys this restaurant, and so let's go inside. This is the different courses you can get for the all-you-can-eat packages, and we're here during lunchtime. And you can get a pork belly all-you-can-eat, and then also you can get one with the pork belly as well as the shoulder roast. Also you have beef and pork, and this is the one we're going to get today. And then also you have kind of select pork and beef as well, kind of more specialty, beef and pork. Okay guys, here we are. We are here in Shabu-yo. It's a hot pot restaurant here. It's all you can eat, and I'm really excited to show you guys what we get here. Also, come to find out, they have a robot that delivers your meat when you order it. So if you enjoy having a fun dining experience, here you go. You can have a robot delivering your food for you. So let's go ahead and select what we want by this touchpad. And they have English. And now this is how we start your order. You want to select the number of people out here. And here you go ahead and you select the course that you want. And we want to get the course that's basically having beef and pork. And then you can select the amount of broth you want for your hot pot. And so we're gonna go with 2 different kind of broth for our hot pot. All right, and so they have a basic bonito broth there. They also have a green curry soup. They also have a soy milk soup there. And then they have a kimchi miso broth, as well as some kind of a herbal broth. And they also have a chicken bone soup. And then they have a yuzu salt broth, as well as a sukiyaki broth. So we're gonna try the spicy kimchi miso broth. And then you can choose from the different spice levels, looks like. You got spicy, and very, very spicy. So we'll just go for the very spicy. And for our second broth, we got the basic bonito broth. Now we're gonna go ahead and place the order for the meat. And we're just gonna get some beef and pork. Yep, we'll get some pork belly, and a couple of those. Pork shoulder, and a couple of those. Also, drinks are not included part of this buffet, so you have to buy alcohol. Also, if you want to buy sodas, you can also buy a drink bar, which is for 272 yen. This is the sauce and spice bar. So we can go ahead and make our sauces here. So you have a couple different dipping sauces. This is with sesame. So this is a ponzu sauce. So these are the sauces you're going to use to dip your vegetables as well as your meat into. So we have a soy sauce base, we have a plum sauce, and also we have a
onion dressing.
This is onion dressing. Then also you have different condiments you can put into your sauce. So good selection of different things you can add to your sauce. I'm gonna add some chili oil to my sauce as well. So I have some onion and chili sauce in my sesame, yeah. So you can mix up a little salad. There we go, potato salad there, as well as some lettuce and some dressings. Here we go, guys. This is the stuff that you can put in your hot pot. There's some tofu here, as well as you got some bok choy. Looks like we have some mushrooms and some sprouts. Also looks like some lettuce and green onions, chives. Oh, enoki mushrooms there. And it looks like we also have some cabbage, wood ear mushrooms. We have some okra, as well as some lotus root and some daikon radish. And there we are. They brought some wet wipes, so you go ahead and get your hands clean before you start eating. But our order is here. We got the meats, we got the vegetables, and I'm ready to start. And as you can see, our hot pot came as well. We were away getting our stuff, and they brought the broth out here. So we got the kimchi broth, which is very spicy, and also we have the bonito broth, it's clear broth. So we have 3 meats that came. We have the beef, we also have the pork shoulder, and also we have the pork belly. And then also, of course, we have our vegetables as well. But let's go ahead and start with the meat. And put in the regular broth. Put the pork shoulder in the spicy. Alright, this beef is done. There we go. Alright guys, the beef is done. And I'm gonna put this in my sesame sauce. I have the hot oils as well as the onion sesame dressing. Go ahead and mix that in here. There you go. All right, this is one of the things I love about hot pot. You can create your own sauce. You can dip the beef in here. It's just a great way to have this beef. When you have thin sliced beef in a hot pot, it makes it really tender. So, wow, that was really good. Also have the pork shoulder here too. So I'm gonna put this spicy pork with this ponzu sauce. It also had that grated radish in here as well. So, all right, let's give it a try. That's a good combination. Ooh, that's really good. The ponzu sauce is kind of citrusy. Grated radish has a very distinct flavor. So, I also have this onion sauce. Here we go. It's onion sauce, but has a little bit of vinegar flavor to it too. So, this is the pork shoulder and the kimchi, spicy kimchi broth. Let's try this by itself. I taste the kimchi flavor. Also, we have the very spicy and just the perfect amount of spice. Not overpowering, but yeah, actually tastes kimchi in here. All right, guys, we're gonna put the vegetables in. I'm gonna try some of this beef and also this onion sauce as well. There you go. Here, let's go and try some of this Whittier mushroom. I'm gonna add it to my sesame dipping sauce. Here it is. So good. Also, you can have your mushroom with your beef as well. All right, there you go. Ooh, hot. I also got some tofu out of the kimchi broth. Oh, that's hot. It absorbs the kimchi broth in there. And this tofu is really hot, but it's really good. Kind of reminds me of the Korean soups, like the jigaes. Okay, let's order some more meat and see if the robot will come and drop it off for us. They're getting a little bit busier right now, so I guess it's the perfect time. Also, we're gonna try some chicken as well. Yeah. Also, you can choose up to 4 different kinds of broth. So we took just the 2 broth, but you can also do 4 different broths. So the pan will be a little bit different. All right, the meat has arrived, but unfortunately, they brought it out again, and the robot went somewhere else. So we're gonna go ahead and get some curry as well as some rice. All right, this is the rice section here, along with curry. And it looks like they also have udon as well. Udon, and also they have ramen here too. They have seaweed rice, and they also have regular rice. And then they have curry down here, guys. There's some spicy Shabu-yo curry. Also, they have aprons here too, if you want to wear an apron. And some extra bowls. I'm also going to get some udon for a hot pot. And as well as some ramen. So we'll get both noodles just to show you guys. Also, we'll get some more veggies for the hot pot. Yeah, I get some cabbage. Ooh, look at that. Chicken in the kimchi broth. You know, put the beef in the bonita broth. All right, got some curry and rice. Give this a try. Oh, that's good curry. Shabuya curry. But something else you do with curry. Take this beef from the hot pot and you put it with your curry and rice. Great way to have curry and rice with some beef. Had the beefy flavor. This is curry. Oh, that's so good. Also, did a little trick with our pork shoulder. We actually added some onions in the middle to create like a roll. And it looks like right here. So it has some shaped onions and carrots and cabbage in there. And you put the vegetables inside of the meat and create this roll, and it cooks together. And it goes good with the kimchi broth that's already flavored. So here you go. That's so good. It adds another different flavor profile to it with the onions in there and the pork and the kimchi broth. Oh, that's a good bite right there. Have some more of this beef with the curry. Great bite of beef with the curry right here. I'm seeing a lot of like students here already. I think students like to come here because it's kind of affordable, all you can eat buffet. Also, they have good desserts. I believe they have waffles here.
Yeah, waffles here.
Right? They have waffles here, and they have also a cotton candy machine here too. So, also they have like the Fanta slushy. So, I think they have a lot of good things that are made for students as well as younger people. So, if you have kids, you might want to bring them here if they enjoy having a good meal, as well as have some treats for dessert, as well as some drinks. The chicken is done, and this is like a chicken thigh. And this was in the kimchi broth, so try it by itself. That's super tender. Oh yeah. But also, I'm gonna put it with my curry as well. Here you go, chicken with the curry, nice. Yeah, that's the way to do it. That chicken is really good curry. I think I like it better with chicken versus out of beef. But they do have like a lot of these chain restaurants all over. So all you do is look for Shabu-yo, Google it, and you'll find one probably near you. Got the ramen there, guys. Also, we have udon. All right, ramen is done, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Also, put it with the pork belly and my dipping sauce. The sesame dipping sauce with the garlic and chilies. Look at that. Ramen looks really good. All right, really hot. I'll give this a try. That's so good, ramen. Here comes the hot pot. Do this. Create yourself a ramen. All right, and our udon is done, guys. We had the udon and the kimchi broth. Look at that. Just absorb all that broth in there. One thing about udon, it's really slippery to get out. Do my best I can. All right, we got some udon and some pork belly together, and kimchi broth. Good combination right here, guys. That's such a good broth. Udon, it's already cooked already, so it didn't take long for it to cook. This is a good udon with kimchi broth. Good combination right here. All right, gonna finish this up, and then next we have to get some dessert. Let's make waffles. One more. There you go. Beautiful waffle right here, guys. It's down, and then also there's a timer right here. Hit start, and that'll tell you 2 minutes. Also, they have a cotton candy machine. So let's turn it on and wait 1 minute. All right, it's all done, ready to go. So now you want to pour in.
10 seconds. Wait 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Up, and it's going. Go ahead. And while that's going on, the waffle's done. There it is. Waffle's done. And the cotton candy's done. That's all right. Looks good. Here is cotton candy we made. There it is. Beautiful. We'll put some cereal. Why not? And some chips. Very nice. And some chocolate syrup. There it is. Ultimate waffle dessert. Let me go ahead and cut this. Ooh. There you go, guys. That's so fun. Great vanilla, soft serve ice cream, and the crunchy cereal, great texture. The waffle flavor is really good waffle. And yeah, and here you are, Shabu-yo, having waffles for dessert with ice cream. But of course, we also finish off with some cotton candy. Let's try this. Wow, that is cotton candy. It's really good. It's been ages since I had cotton candy, so holy buckets, wow. It's just the perfect amount for one person to try cotton candy. So if you're feeling nostalgic, get some cotton candy. And that is our time at Shabu-yo. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It was a lot of fun, and of course, we probably ate way too much, but that's how it usually goes for a buffet. And also I noticed they have tables for one person seating, so if you want to try hot pot by yourself, I highly recommend it here in Japan. And today's buffet was $17.99. That's 1,799 yen. So very affordable buffet for all you can eat. And if you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always guys, I appreciate your support. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll see you back next video. Bye bye.